So now it's time to move ahead with our panel discussion. And the topic for the panel discussion that we have chosen is Women as an Entrepreneur in India, Dream versus Reality. As Sir has already told us some facts which actually show the reality and what we want to achieve, that is a dream. So we would like to welcome our panelists, Dr. Twinkle Sachin, Dr. Ravi Shankran CV, Dr. Katyani Jasti, Dr. Sudha Arvind, and we would like to regret that our one of our panelists could not be present due to the some situation. So now I'll hand over the stage to our moderator of the today panel discussion, that is Dr. Priya Trivedi. We welcome you all and we are looking forward to you. We welcome you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Nicely conducted. Hope so. Today, the last session, that is panel discussion, will be very informative and fruitful for all of us. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So we welcome you. Let's proceed ahead.
We have today, ma'am, I would like to know Dr. Twinkle sir, Dr. Ravi Shankar sir, Dr. Katyani ma'am, and Dr. Sudha ma'am. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am, right.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much. Good evening and happy 75th Independence Day to one and all. On behalf of Yuva Incubated Foundation, I, Dr. Priya Trivedi, Head Academic and Department of Science, Computers Isaac College of Professional Studies, Indore, MP, welcome you all at the national webinar on the role of women in Atmanirbhar Bharat. It's really my pleasure and an honor to be the part of today's panel discussion with all the eminent speakers. As a woman, as entrepreneur in India, dream versus reality. It's really an occasion and the right time to pay tribute to the tremendous efforts made by the women in shaping a more equal future and recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. Also, women have been at the front lines of this crisis as essential workers, researchers, innovators, media professionals, workers, and employers representative. So today on 75th Independence Day, I would like to listen from our honorable speakers that now what is the place of the woman as an entrepreneur, it's really a dream or a reality where we are standing. And before I start the session, I would like to introduce our speakers. Today, our first speakers will be Dr. Twinkle Kumar Sachin. He is Assistant Professor, SRC ARW, University of Delhi. Our next speaker, Dr. Ravi Shankar, CV Principal, In Charge Professor, Head ECE, Sabram Institution of Technology, Karnataka. And next guest of honor is Dr. Katyani Jasti, Professor of Innovation and Entrepreneurship, Head Department of Business Management, Shri Padmavati Mahavidyalaya, Midyalam, Andhra Pradesh. And Ma'am Dr. Sudha Arvind, Professor, ECE, Department of Convener, Innovational Ambassador, IIC CMR, Technical Campus, Hyderabad. It's really a pleasure for me to introducing all of you. I know today the session are going to rock, and I request all the speakers to throw the light upon the few points. As today the topic is for the role of women, I have taken a few points and I want we should discuss on the same. The first point which I have taken out is social pressure and the lack of conviction for the women. The second point is views of mompreneurs on creating a balance between motherhood and entrepreneurship. The third point is use of social media to build an enterprise for the modern woman. And the last one is role of the community in the life of a mompreneur. As today is the topic related with the women, I would like to request Dr. Katyani ma'am to start the session. Welcome you, ma'am, once again.
Yeah, good afternoon to everyone. And I thank the team for giving me this opportunity. So being a women's university professor of 25 to 30 years and giving a training for the women and girl students in especially in entrepreneurship. I had a little good experiences, which he had converted girls and women belongs to Sri Padmavati Mahila Vishwavidyalayam and also surrounding communities. So into women entrepreneurs. And there are beautiful stories that were emerged from us. And we can say that women are having two reasons why they will go into starting of a business. One is it might be pull factor, it might be push factor. Pull factors are nothing but they're having a passion and they're having a talent and they're having a zeal to do something. So then that will pull them to start an enterprise. But starting of an enterprise is not might be immediately after completing their education, but it might be after settling in the life. So having marriage, having kids, so then they want to start a business. So that is also one reason. And another one is if the family income is very low, and that is a push factor for them. So then automatically they will think of what are the alternative ways, and then they are going to have a talent. So they want to make use of it, or else they are going to approach us what I can do. What business that I can do. So like I can do when they come with, so then they will have a confidence that I will do it. So that is an empowerment that we are giving to the women here in the nearby community and also in Andhra Pradesh. So we are going to give a confidence that we are going to conduct series of workshops in skill development programs, especially vocational skills. So it might be fashion designing, it might be paper plates making, or it might be textile making. So, and then it might be tailoring. So it might be anything like the jewelry making and bangles making. So like we are going to select some of the vocational courses, and then we are going to give the training to them. And then we are going to take the help of here Andhra Bank uh, training center is there. So they are going to give a training for even beautician courses, and also they're going to give a training for electrical appliances repair, and then mobile appliances repair. All these trainings, vocational trainings, we are going to give it, and then we are going to make them into self-reliant people, and they can start their own. But in this pandemic, if you see it, we can't go out. So it was restricted. That's how they have learned how to use of a social media for running of their businesses. If they already started, or they are not in the business, they are thought of having a online business for, yeah, I mean, providing different type of variety of fashion designed clothes to their friend circle and then their relatives, and then it was expanded to other community also through WhatsApp. And
on the same, I would like to invite Dr. Twinkle Kumar sir. Ki please throw light on the same. Ki what ma'am is saying. Ki social media played an important role to build an entrepreneur for the modern woman. Did you think so?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, very good evening to all, and it is my honor to be in the panel discussion on the women as an entrepreneur, particularly in Indian context. Uh, because if I start talking about me, currently I am working as an assistant professor in Sahid Rajguru College of Applied Sciences for women. That is in court for women. So maximum faculty and maximum staff in that particular college is women. And from past 5 years, I'm teaching there. So many students come up with different ideas related to entrepreneurship. And my core domain in that my college is entrepreneurship. And like ma'am say, social networking is also helpful in making an entrepreneur, particularly women. There is an example which says like age is like a number if we talk about the entrepreneurship. There is a woman in Chandigarh. She start her entrepreneurship journey in 96 year of age by the help of social media only.
Exactly, sir.
So yes, it is rightly said by ma'am. Social media helps the entrepreneurship journey or a startup journey a lot. During this pandemic also, we see so many startups come. There is so many cloud kitchen. If we talk about, if you are good in something, why not you sell that particular product in different region? So that is one of the example. Other than that, if we talk about the entrepreneurship, sometimes entrepreneurship start at the home also. First you have to take the decision related to that what you want to do. When I start when I'm reading about this particularly the topic Atmanirbhar Bharat, uh, way back in 1948, our first human right commission, the delegate that went to UN, led by Hansha Mehta, and the human right declaration says all men are created equal. But the lady Hansa Mehta tried to uh, inculcate that she want that particular word all men removed from that particular article, and UN accept that decision, and they make all human beings are created equal. So women play an important role in today's society.
Ma'am, Dr. Sudha, ma'am, I would like to listen from you. Can motherhood and entrepreneurship can be balanced? Are we able to balance that?
First of all, I would like to wish all of you a very happy Independence Day, 75th Happy Independence
Thank you,
Day.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
And all the panelists also, panelist members.
Yeah, same to you, ma'am.
Yeah. And we are so fortunate enough to have a discussion over today, especially in this auspicious day. Myself, Dr. Sudha Arvind, working as professor in EC department, as already introduced by UA Incubated. So first of all, thank you very much, UA Incubated and Kites Education, for giving this wonderful opportunity and a platform to share with you people. Definitely the eminent speakers and the panelists present in this platform.
It's our pleasure
Yes.
also, ma'am. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Yes, yes. And a very brief about me, I'm having totally 18 years of teaching experience and 2 years of industry experience. Totally, it is a wonderful experience. What I want to share is literally like what topic you have given me, ma'am. Exactly, it suits me like what topic you have given me. The thing is, I was discussing today morning with my children, like how this motherhood, like as a mother, we can manage being an entrepreneur or wherever the society we are working, we are doing job, how it is possible to manage the situation or how we are going to balance. And definitely it will be a challenge. And as coming to the exact point of view, the very basic from the beginning of my career and without any gap of any break, I have given my service. I have rendered my service to the institutions and the academic institutions and the industry. Really, definitely, I can say that it is possible with the help of family only, because there is no other source. Even if you are getting support from other also, but moral support and the family support, the children support, the spouse support. So it's going to play a very important role. So like if you are coming from traditional societies, they were confined to the four walls of houses performing household activities. But if you're coming to modern societies, they are come out with the four walls to participate in all sorts of activities. And this this I got a support, tremendous support from my family. So because of my children, my spouse, I'm here today to present. And this is a thing.
Madam, what I think is कि without family, you can't move on. है ना? Especially
Exactly,
females.
exactly. Yeah, exactly, ma'am. And the thing is, even though you're having enough talent to exhibit and to produce, but still without moral support, without family support,
Exactly.
it's all possible.
Yeah, yeah.
So the global evidences have proved that women have been performing exceedingly well in different spheres of activities like academics. So as I'm from academics background, definitely I'll justify, because of my family, I am here today in front of you, talking to you. And definitely I request all the panelists also, and moreover, I need not say the presentees, the attendees, so definitely. So you have to convince, dear participants, students are present in the discussion in the meeting. So you have to convince your parents to go ahead. So definitely everything is in your hand, because I can say I left my kids very month-old baby. I left home and started my career. 2 months baby, like my both mother as a mother. Now my children, my son is studying in 3rd year engineering, and my daughter is just about to crack the entrance exam. She is writing. She is about to enter the engineering course. And the day one, they have supported me like anything. And now also in many of the aspects, there are pillars for me. So here, this hidden entrepreneurial potential of women have gradually been changing with the growing sensitivity to the role and economic status in the society. Hope so every woman who is having desire, the aspect, the to work, having a zeal to work towards entrepreneurship, I pray so they should also get such a moral support from their family. So it is definitely there are some the reality part. If you are going to have n number of it may be a one of the aspect is family consideration. Definitely the first one comes itself is family considerations, and the lack of confidence also. You should have confidence. Without having confidence on you, no. So everything starts from you only. Please believe in yourself, then definitely everything will come automatically. So you should have a convincing capability, you should have confidence. So but these things will be there definitely. So financial barrier.
I would like to listen from Dr. Ravi Shankar sir also, as sir has already given so much information about the role of women in this entrepreneurship. And really, sir, you have said about the data challenges and the upcomings, whatever the thing you have said, that was really truly. But I just want to know from you, ki even today there is a social pressure and the lack of conviction for the women. Did you feel so?
Madam, frankly speaking, in the world, computers are also not multitasking.
Exactly, sir.
So automatically, the creators, men are also not multitasking people. God has got only one of his creation to do multitasking. That is woman.
Absolutely right, sir.
This itself
Absolutely.
actually what I can say best. So as a multitasking person, so woman can handle many things.
Exactly, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
but the problem is you are all like actually the people who are who wants appreciation, but this multitasking ability the men are misusing. They are
Exactly.
always telling you can do that, you can do this, you have to do this, you must do this. वो सभी आपको सिर में डालता है मैडम.
But sir, for this I would like to ask from Dr. Katyani ma'am.
Convincing everybody, compromising with every situation, and you are thinking that okay, I can do this also, that also, वो भी हम कर सकते हैं, ये भी हम कर सकते हैं, because my brother is telling, my father is telling, my colleagues are telling, my husband is telling. वो सभी करके आप क्या गलत हो गया मैडम?
But
Everything you
sir,
are put on your head.
solution will
Everything.
come from Dr. Katyani
See,
because she is
madam,
so.
I have got one, even many of my friends are there. Women, senior positions are there. One senior lady actually, when many situations I used to say, why actually everybody, even it is male chauvinistic word, even including me also, every time we will say, my mother's food is very good. My
Sir,
wife
sir,
actually prepare
sir,
very
sir,
good
I would
food.
like to
Madam,
interrupt you.
because of this appreciation, you people are always thinking that your first priority is family and preparing food. See, this is wrong. Even one of my close friends, she is working as a director level in ISRO. I used to say to her, see, why you are actually taking lot of pressure about your family? No, sir, my first priority is family. I have to cook food and all. Ask Indra Nui.
Exactly, sir.
What she will
Even
tell?
I am the
She will tell,
professor.
I
I
have to cook
to
food
make
for
a
my
food
family. Madam,
morning
this
and
is
as
fully
well
your
as in evening.
mindset. They have prepared the male fraternity, they imbibed this thing in your mind. But same thing actually, if it is economic factor, then the male people will come and snatch that. All hotel business, everything is run by male only because money matter is there. But in house actually money matter not come. That's why they will give that to food preparation for you only. Do you
Exactly.
think
Sir,
all mother prepared food, everything male people are telling it was great. But do you think every day mother will prepare nicely food? No,
sir,
many
the
times
answer
you
will
only
come from
blamed.
Dr. Kitiani, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Madam,
Ma'am,
Yes,
because of this
yes,
thing only, you are
please,
all not
we can.
able to come front for
Sir,
the
I
entrepreneurship
request you.
business.
sir,
Please
sir,
avoid these things.
sir, please listen to us also.
Sir, please.
Listen to woman voice also.
Reality. This is the
Sir,
reality.
Sir,
I am
speak.
you
telling
are
you from my point.
dominating. You are dominating.
Sir,
You
sir, let
listen
her
to
speak
woman
now.
voice also.
Yeah, yeah.
No,
Ma'am, I would like
after
to
this much time,
continue.
you have given me time. I am telling
Yeah,
this.
yeah, you have been given an
Okay, okay.
opportunity, but your view is very limited to the olden days. Now the
No, no,
days
no, no.
has changed. No
Yes,
woman
madam, it
is
is changed to Zomato, madam.
sharing
It
their
is changed to
time
Zomato.
for everything.
Correct. But again, who is doing that business?
Ma'am,
Male
Dr.
only,
Sudha,
madam.
madam, I would like
No,
to listen
no,
from
Sir,
you.
now
sir,
the woman wants decision making also in the business. Then
Exactly,
only
ma'am.
they are putting the
I agree you.
signatures.
Madam, I am
Don't
actually
think that
telling
women are
what and
not
all disturbing her.
empowered. They
I am
are
telling what and
empowered
all
right
disturbing
now.
her for her brain
Ma'am,
to reach.
now it's 5:40 and I think we have to conclude the same. So I would, as ma'am, Dr. Katyani ma'am is senior from all of us and I would like to conclude, ma'am, you please do conclude today's panel discussion. And ma'am, I will request Dr. Sudha and Dr. Twinkle sir also to give one line for the same. Ma'am, Dr. Katyani.
Yeah. So from this discussion, we are able to know that what is the status of women being an entrepreneur or being an employee in the society. Still, we are having a problem because of male chauvinism is not at all eradicated. So we have to take our rights. We have to fight for women rights, and every man of the family also has to support that. And without the support of either men or a woman, the family won't go in equal way and also in a right way. So we have to keep that in mind, and then we have to frame our activities. So men has to participate in women related activities, and women also has to are doing jobs and then getting some money to the family. So when the women are able to share the responsibilities of the men of the family, why not men will share the responsibilities of the women in the
Exactly, ma'am.
family at
Exactly.
home?
Ma'am,
So,
Dr. Sudha, I would like to listen you one line from the same
Yes, madam.
to
Like
conclude the
just I
session.
want to have a point on to add it. Definitely, it is not actually the family the first priority. See, like we will take the step ahead with our own interest to do go for entrepreneurship or going towards job. Definitely, it with our own interest, own desire, and own aspirations, right? So
Exactly.
we are towards that. Then definitely, I am explaining like definitely family is the first priority, and without that we can't. And it is not due to force of somebody else. We are
Exactly, ma'am. The
yes,
same,
sir.
I think, if
Yeah,
family
yeah.
is the priority, and we have it's our responsibility to balance
Yes, to
both
balance
family
definitely.
and our work culture.
Yeah, because
ma'am,
sometimes kids
Yeah, ma'am.
before
definitely
Yes,
they
Dr.
require our
Twinkle.
attention towards them. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Thank you for the
concluding with
opportunity
some
given, ma'am.
data.
Thank you, ma'am.
According to the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, women comprise as much as 13.76% of the total entrepreneurs in India. 14%, nearly 14% is a change now. If we talk about 10 year back or 15-year back, in last year figure say 14%. This figure indicates the changing times and how women are coming forward. So
Exactly.
the session say dream and reality. I would say in the end, the dream is become reality, and within next 15 to 20 years, this 14% might be 75%.
Exactly, sir.
So I'm
So I
concluding.
would like
with
to
my-
request now Dr. Ravi Shankar sir to conclude the session. I just congratulate all the session speakers today, and thank you so much for giving the time from the Yuva Incubator Foundation. I just thank you to Manish sir and team for giving me opportunity for the moderator for the today. Thank you so much. Over to Dr. Ravi Shankar, all the audience which have listened patiently from 3:30 to now it's 5:43, and last 1 minute for Dr. Ravi Shankar sir.
Madam, always I am trying my level best to support the woman, because I am having my mother, I am having my wife, I am having my sisters, and all my students, many girl students I have supported all these days. But one day I want to present my PPT. In that I have to say, some years back I showed the presentation. In that actually woman representation is only 14% in India as an entrepreneur. Now actually I am showing this, it is 84% entrepreneurs in India. ऐसा देखने का situation हमको मिलने का है. So that actually I want to say, for all women, I am having great respect. For
Thank
all
you,
the
sir.
people, I
Thank
am
you
having
so
great
much.
respect. I want all of them to cherish and their dreams. They should not face any hindrance. If anything comes, actually let them face it, take it as a challenge. Everybody will face challenge, but you should have that challenge facing mindset with you. Everybody will support. No need for you to ask, give me support. No need. You are very strong, as I already told you. Female means
Sir,
what? FE, Iron Man
sir,
you are.
सर
Thank you very much.
एक चीज बस एंड में मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. अगर हमारा आज का पैनल भी देखा है, टुडेज पैनल 60% आर वुमेन,
Yeah, thank you so much,
इंक्लूडिंग
sir.
प्रिया मैम.
Yeah.
अगर इससे 10 साल पहले की बात की जाए तो उसमें 80 to 90% पैनल जो होता था वो मेल का ही 100% मेल होते थे.
बिल्कुल सही
टुडे
सर.
आज के पैनल में 60% are female. So it is now reality.
Yeah, it's a reality. And you know, on the status, so women are active on all the social media, WhatsApp status, they are doing
Yes.
business on all the platforms, Twitter and everything. And you know, we are working so hard because we have so many challenges inside and outside both. हमको दोनों तरफ पार्ट खेलना पड़ता है सर, घर के अंदर भी और घर के बाहर भी. So, you know, and the last line I would like to say, you know, society, you teachers, males, if you will support us, we'll go so far. Isn't it, ma'am?
Yes.
आप लोगों के
Yes, ma'am,
सपोर्ट से ही
definitely.
हम जा सकते हैं.
Yes,
हमको
yes,
आपसे लड़ना नहीं है. We don't want to fight with men, but we want equality.
Right.
We want our
Yes, yes,
dreams
sir.
to come true. Okay, so I would like to conclude by saying कि you know, all happy Independence Day. We all think कि हम women जो है mind से, हमारे action से हम free रहे, freedom रहे हमको, जो हमारे dreams से उसको पूरा करने के लिए. Thank you so much. Over to co-host ma'am, if you want to conclude something. Thank you team. Thank you speakers. All the speakers before, Manjit ma'am and all, thank you so much. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Priya Trivedi, ma'am. It was really, really, really well. You did it. You know, you moderated it in the best possible manner.
Thank
We
you.
thank all our panelists for the today, right? And everyone who was asking for the feedback form, this is a general information that we are sharing the feedback form in the chat box, so you can fill that up. And one more thing that we want to make very clear is that we have a particular mechanism in the Zoom and on our platform, so that only the people who have the attendance of at least 50 minutes will be eligible for the certificate. It is not that somebody just on the session and is not attending will be able to get the certificate, but just by filling the feedback form. So there is a proper mechanism. Only those will receive the certificates who have attended at least 50 minutes workshop. All right. I hope the things are clear. Anybody having any doubt can ask me, right?
Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you, ma'am. I hope
Thank
we'll
you,
meet
everyone.
soon with some other new topics and we'll be on the same platform. Thank you, Dr. Kityani ma'am, Dr. Sudha ma'am, Dr. Twinkle sir, Dr. Ravi Shankar sir. Thank you so much. I hope I have conducted well.
Yes,
Isn't it,
happy
ma'am?
Independence
You done
Day.
a great job. Nice.
Thank you.
Yes, it was very
Namaskar,
wonderful
sabhi ko.
discussion, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.